Hello, everyone. We are trying to do number 5, and this is the requirement. This is the requirement, my friends. There should be a multiple servers. The reason I require this is for you to know how to set up many computers and connect them, because someday, if you become too successful with your app or server, you will have more users than the server can manage. And you will need to uh, divide the load of processing between many computers. You have thousands of users. Usually, you separate the database from the app server. So what we are going to do now, we're just pretending we have real servers, and we are going to use Oracle VM, a virtual box manager. So the plan, my friends, is like this. This computer, the host computer's IP, we will make 3 computers. The first computer is the client. The second computer is the app server. And the third computer is the database server. So that the client can run the JavaScript and things. The app server can run the PHP and logic and things. And the database server can do the queries. Yeah, that's how, if you have thousands of users, that's the way to manage a big database. Okay, so we already have something running according to the requirements. We are just using the same Friends database, a Friends web app, but we're splitting it, migrating it to 2 servers now. So this is the plan, my friends. The IP address of the first computer, the host, is 56.1, 192.168.56.1. The second computer, which we actually have now, is a 192.168.56.2, right? Now we're going to clone this second computer, and we put the IP address in the clone 56.3. So we have 56.1 or 2, 3. So in the number 2, we will disable database. In the number 3, we will disable Apache, so that it's concentrating on what it's supposed to do. It doesn't do anything else, and we are not confused. And then in number 2, we're going to edit our PHP. Instead of saying host pg connect host equals localhost, we're just going to put pg connect host equals 192.168.56.3. So that PHP will connect to the database in the other machine. Diba? And in number 3 machine, we're going to configure Postgres to enable network connections through the network. And we're going to edit some pg_hba.conf file, and put some edit it there, so that our browser can be in 192.168.56.1 and do the JavaScript and user interface things. The PHP scripts can be in 56.2, and the database this machine is just doing only database, nothing else. The second machine is doing app server, nothing else. Third machine is doing client. So we divide the workload among things. Okay, now, since we have that plan, we'll try to do it. First of all, I'm going to clone this. This is the second computer. And we will name it 3DB. Yes, my friend. Full clone, link clone, full clone. Because we are going to edit it. You know what? If I edit this number 3, what if it just gets broken? Then our other projects will be broken. Okay, never mind. I already recorded. It's taking time to copy. Can I rename this? Rename. Rename. There's no rename. Settings. Oy, naghang. So we will rename this app server. Okay. And where's the no? Where's the other one? Oy, I'm confused now. We have a Bitnami here. I think this is the one we have to rename. Other one is TB server. The other one is app server. Yes. Okay. Now let's start the app server. And 1 minute. Okay. Bitnami. Bitnami. Sudo bash. Where's the if config NP56.2. Ping 56.1. Yes, we're pinging. Okay, let's try to ping from CMD. Ping 192.168.56.2. Yes, it's working. Let's try to visit the web page. Yes, and then the URL of our app is in 1. Right? It's working. Linus Torvalds is there. Let's close all our funny websites, especially these big ones, unnecessary things. Oh, I closed the no. So I think today we don't need Google AI Studio because we're not coding too much. We're just configuring. So the IP address of this one is 56.2. Now let's start another computer. Okay, let's start another computer, my friends. You can have as many computers as your computer can run. What's going on? Powering DM up. Yay. Show. Bitnami. Bitnami. Sudo bash. Let's set the IP address to 56.3. Let's try to ping 56.1. Yes, we get 56.1. And let's try to visit 56.3. We should have the same thing. Yes, it's there. So we have a duplicate. We have 2 machines now. So easy to copy a machine, yeah? So easy to copy machine. Okay, but what we're going to do, okay, we need to disable in Bitnami, disable Apache. Okay. It says here sudo. I think we can just copy this. Sudo /opt/bitnami/ctl script stop Apache. Okay. And to disable it, Pwede say sudo system ctl disable Apache 2. Oh no, Apache 2 or Apache? System ctl disable Apache 2. Okay, I think we don't need to how to disable HTTP. I don't know how to disable Apache. We are in which machine are we? Sorry, I get confused. We're not supposed to stop Apache here. We're supposed to start Apache here. And we're supposed to stop Postgres here. Maybe that was PostgreSQL. Okay. So when we type PSQL here, it doesn't listen. When we type PSQL here, it says permission denied. So in this other computer, we're supposed to stop Apache. If you're supposed to stop so that you can see it more. The command for stopping is sudo /opt/bitnami/ctl stop Postgres Apache. So my friends, here we stop Postgres, and here in computer number 3 we stop Apache. As proof, if you visit 2.1 and reload, it's Apache is running, but Postgres is not running. If you visit 2.3, Apache is not running. See, no, cannot reply. So we are finished with disabling the Apache and the Postgres. We're now going to configure our Bitnami here. I'm just going to, okay, since you don't know shell too much, we're going to use WinSCP. Yay. Our friend is WinSCP. We're going to connect to 56.2. And, boy, where is it? 3. Okay, we're going to go to folder number 1, and we're going to edit index and change the port, the host to 192.168.56.2. Oh, that 3, correct? That 3. Press Control S, save, and let's see if we are lucky and that it works already. Yeah, somebody said we need to enable also connections to the other computers. So let's disconnect this and connect to another computer. Let's connect to 56.3 new site. SCP 192.168.56.3. Log in as Bitnami. And then let's go and look for OPT, Bitnami, Apache 2, htdocs. No. We're not supposed to be here. We're supposed to go to Postgres, conf, pghpa.conf. And we're going to say we want to trust one IP address. We want to trust connections from 192.168.56.2/32. And then, oh, it doesn't save. Okay, permission denied. Sorry. You should log in as root. Again. Let's go to a new site, WinSCP 192.168.56.3 root save. Let's log into 56.3 Bitnami, and let's go to OPT root OPT Bitnami Postgres nasa conf and pghba.conf. We're going to copy this line and paste it here and change the IP address to 192.168.56.2. 2 is the app server. We're going to allow 2 to connect to us, and we will not ask for password. So let's try to reload to stop PostgreSQL. And start PostgreSQL again. And then let's go to the other computer and see. Oh, well, you can try here if it loads. Okay, it doesn't seem to load. First of all, let's try to ping our friend. Okay, I can ping 2 here. Can I ping 3? Oh, 56.3. Can I type SQL-u Postgres -h 192.168.56.3? .3. It's not connected. Oh, it did not start, my friend. Postgres did not start. Okay, Postgres did not start. Maybe we did something wrong. Maybe I have to put 32 here. Let's try again. Yes, it's running. I forgot to put 32. Now let's see the other side if let's try it here if it connects. It's not connecting. Maybe we need to enable something else here in PostgreSQL. Let's enable iNet. Yes, this one. Listen. We will put here listen address equals asterisk. Yes, and then let's restart Postgres. Let's restart Postgres. Stop. Start. Let's try to connect here. Okay, okay. We will continue next meeting. You are dismissed. I'm just going to try to finish this before. Oh, it's already exactly 1:30. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, we will continue this troubleshooting next meeting. See you next meeting. Oh. Okay, on part 2, we will tell you why it didn't work.